Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today we are here with a new video. Today we will discuss from Chapter 3. Among the data types, we will discuss about dictionary. Actually, this is a mapping type. Let's get started. A Python dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs. Each key is unique, and each key is associated with a single value. It is defined using curly braces, and each key-value pair is separated by a colon. Dictionaries are mutable, meaning that they can be changed after they are created. Dictionaries are also unordered, meaning that the order of the key-value pairs in a dictionary is not defined. See here, this is a dictionary example. This is a key, and this is a value. Usually the dictionary is written like this in Python, although in addition we will know two other methods. Let's get started. Here we will create a new file as we before. Well, first we'll create a dictionary. Well, we have created a dictionary. As you can see here, key-value pair is separated by a colon. Which we showed earlier from here. Now we will check, it's a dictionary or not. As you can see here, this is a dictionary. If we want to write in single line, we can. We can use the dictionary constructor to create dictionary. Now we will use number or tuple as key instead of string. Now we will use list instead of tuple as key. it will display an error. As you can see here, we got an error, unhashable type list. That means we can only use string, numbers, or tuples as key. Now we will learn about nested dictionary. Nested dictionary means, inside the main dictionary one or more dictionary. Nested dictionaries are useful when you have structured data with multiple layers of information. They provide a way to organize and access data in a hierarchical manner. Let's create a nested dictionary. As you can see here, this is the nested list we created. Now we will create another type of nested list. You can see here, we can create a nested list in this way. Now we will learn about how to access value from dictionary. As you can see here, all data within Asia is displayed. Hope everyone is understood how to access the data from dictionary. Now we will learn about how to add a new key-value pair to the dictionary. Note here we added president inside the China. As you can see here our output. Now we will learn about how to update the value of an existing key-value pair. As you can see here, China's capital has been updated. Now we will learn about how to remove a key-value pair from the dictionary. As you can see here, we had China before the deletion, but we don't have China after the deletion. Hope everyone is understood about the Python dictionary. If there is any problem you can tell in the comment box. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching the video, subscribe the channel to support us. And don't forget to like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.